Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change heading color on hover, right, in Elementor. As you can see here right now I am editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, and I have just created a section and I have added heading text in that particular container in that section, right? So right now we are going to edit this heading, and to edit this heading you just need to move your cursor over the heading and you will see a pen icon in the top right corner, right? You just need to click on that to edit this heading. So I have clicked on that, and in the left side toolbar you can see like content settings are there, style settings are there, and advanced settings are there. You just need to move to the style setting, and here in the style I'm just changing the heading color, right? You can simply change the text color, right? So I have clicked on the color icon and I'm going to choose the red color from the color palette, right? So right now we have changed the text color of normal heading, right? And just near to the normal heading there is an option of hover. You just need to click on that, and here you can simply select the another color. So I'm going to select the another color, so I have clicked on that, and from the color palette I am just choosing the green color, right? So I have simply chosen the green color, and as you can see right now the heading color is not getting changed because this particular heading does not have any link on that, right? So we need to add a link, right? Then only this particular color would change. As you can see, link color right over there. So for that we are going to again content settings in the heading and in the left side toolbar itself, and here I am just going to add a link. For example, I am just typing https://www.google.com, right? So I have added a link over this heading, and again I'm going to the style settings, right? So as you can see now our hover effect is working perfectly fine, right? As we move our cursor apart from the heading color is red, and when we move our cursor over the heading color automatically changes to green, right? So hover effect has been applied over our heading, right? Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.